There are not many people who are born with the skill to alter their simplicity to success. Gladly, we can mention one such name, Mr. Mahendra Singh Jadeja. He was born in a simple family as aforementioned on the 24th of September 1954 at Jegawada Taluka, Dhangadra, Surendranagar district, and at his maternal uncle's home, and was raised with 4 other sisters. Like many others born in simple families, his life was sequenced in the similar manner as every other normal grocer. After his civil engineering, he worked with PWD for about 8 months, after which he was offered to move to Australia or Dubai. But to join his wife, Mrs. Manharba Jethwa, in 1976, he moved to UK as she was settled in London, born in East Africa. Mr. Mahendra Singh remembers his initial days in the UK to be a time of difficulty which got better progressively after he joined a retail giant named Comet in 1978 as a sales executive. By 1983, times had transformed and he had become the possessor of many awards, and he was promoted a white goods buyer. He continued for about 2 years until he quit in 1985. With overcoming hurdles comes the confidence to move independently up the ladder, which is what he did on the 18th February 1985, when he purchased his first retail outlet and was the first independent retailer in the United Kingdom to introduce POS, Electronic Point of Sales system. He was also the first to introduce an ATM inside a shop. Even though so much had changed, his habit of making it to the top with a number of awards did not stop. In the year 2001, Mr. Jadeja became the London Retailers President. His journey was inspired by Atma Swarup Swami of the Swami Narayan Temple, London BAPS, who urged him to be a fraction of the national body than just owning retail shops. Mr. Mahendra Singh believes it was because of Swamiji's blessings that he became the primary Indian national president of the retail sector of nearly 100 years old organization. Mr. Mahendra Singh has always remained communally very vigorous. He helped raise funds for the world prominent children's hospital, Great Ormond Street. Mr. Mahendra Singh has always remained communally very vigorous. He helped raise funds for the world prominent children's hospital, Great Ormond Street. His initiative of setting up a collection box on every airport in UK during the disastrous Kutch earthquake was well responded to. He started raising funds for UN, credited the Lungma Foundation for Widows, which collected £22,228 in 2001 and presented the cheque to the Mayor of London, then Ken Livingstone. In his lovely family are his 2 children, a son and a daughter, who are both married and settled in London and the city of Jaipur respectively. Mr. Mahendra Singh and his wife are very proud of their now happily married children who were given private education with the reason of having busy parents but yet concerned about giving them the best of what they could offer. From 1985 to 2015, Mr. Mahendra Singh Jadeja continued to reign in the retail industry. He was one of the founder, director and vice chairman of NFRN Mutual, alternative to insurance company for the retail industry, which is currently leading an institute for the retail sector. He retired from this beneficial company in the year 2013. Adding to his list of firsts, he was the first Asian person to request join a retail forum and an advisory panel member to corporate responsibility for the world-renowned National Lottery of UK called Camelot. He helped the independent retailers with an open lottery terminal when they began business time, for fairness of business from the competition of the giant supermarkets. Mr. Mahendra Singh was also a member of the team which created ticketless entry cards, Oyster, for the transportation in London. The Labour government requested him to become a public panel member to scrutinize the national IDs for UK government. Since 2014, he has been involved in the UK-India business, two of which are his own. He has been the head of the business delegation for the event Vibrant Saurashtra in January 2015. Mr. Jadeja has also represented the Gujarati communities during our Honorable Prime Minister's visit to London. To today's date, Mr. Mahendra Singh is occupied with many organizations and desires to help to launch low-cost long-haul flights between Gujarat and Amritsar to help people reach home, that too non-stop, that the elderly and children are taken good care of. Mr. Mahendra Singh Jadeja's success mantra: to remember to be the person who turns souls, not just heads.